Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a contact ring on silent Android. On Android, you can allow specific contacts to ring even when your phone is set to silent by setting them as priority or using Do Not Disturb settings. Here's how you can do it. Method 1. Using the sound vibration. Go to your phone settings, navigate to sound and vibration or sound settings. Tap to choose on mute. Then you can also use Do Not Disturb mode on your devices by swiping down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Another method, using the Contacts app. Open your Contacts app, then find and choose the contact you want to ring on silent. Tap on the star icon to mark them as a favorite or starred contact. By following these methods, you can ensure that these specific contacts can ring through even when your phone is set to silent, ensuring you don't miss important calls.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.